Right now, St. Andrew's Evacuation Center we are handling it very well. The committee and the people too. The good thing is they listen, and it's very easy for us. Some of the families here, they got some of their houses actually underwater, not from the river, but from the poor drainage. So today is their last day here. They're gonna sleep tonight. Tomorrow, then they might go back because school is gonna start on Monday. So we just need their houses to dry up properly, so there's no sickness or anything that can, cause. Their support to this evacuation center has been really good. They come here after every 1 hour since yesterday. DISMAC, Red Cross, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education. Right now we're doing this thing for Ministry of Education. They told us to register children from kindergarten to Form 7. So they just told us to register them, and then we're going to give their names in. We don't know what they're going to do about it, but I hope it's something that will do good for these children. Most families is already gone. The families who didn't get affected in this flood, because the Nadi River never opened its bank. But the families who you can see here right now, these are the families who got affected by the poor drainage. Their house was actually underwater just because of the drainage. So today is their last day here. They're gonna sleep on it. Tomorrow, then they'll go back home. Just as long as their houses are dry, because of the children. That's our main concern right now, so they don't get sick.